Ooh.
You ready? What do you think about that?
Not quite as glamorous as one would imagine.
You ready?
Like, come on, give me a real bite. I want a real bite.
Goodness.
I want a big bite.
She's sucking it. That's a good girl.
Yeah, sweet potatoes.
Mm-hmm. What do you think about that, honey?
Is that good, Cora?
Not just breast milk anymore.
Whoa.
Do you want a little bit more? Or are you done?
Happy 6 months to you. Happy 6 months to you. Happy 6 months, dear Cora. Happy 6 months to you. Ooh. Yeah, is that good, Cora? Ooh. Yeah, you get it.
Okay?
You get it.
You look really cute with sweet potato all over your face.
I want to try. Can I do it? I want to do it. Yay! This is your first day having food. Check it out. Yeah. Check it out. Get it. You can do it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. You're just getting that traditional baby look now.
4 days you get to have an avocado.
Did you add water to it?
Breast milk.
Oh, cool. Did they ever say to add water?
You can, yeah.
This is some thick stuff, isn't it? Much thicker than breast milk. You good on it? Trying to wrap your mind around that?
Good thing Katie brought her those bibs.
Yeah. There you go.
You look beautiful.
Yeah.
Our little sweet potato covered baby.
Her little sweet potato goatee.
Wow.
Yeah.
They're good, honey?
You want one more bite?
Okay, you look like you're done.
Where are my toys?